Fáilte my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Oisín na dtír na nóg ocracail Ardaville. Saidúri agus lécra a vís na fianna. The fianna were soldiers and heroes. Ag shellig, hunting. Chapel dríochta, on a magic horse. Thór Oisín, looking for Oisín. Tuis go bhfuil she rá leis, because she is in love with him. Tar éis clushdal faoin cháil, after hearing about his fame. Faoi gheasa, under a spell. Imíonn siad go Tír na nóg. They leave for Tír na nóg, the land of the young. A etlíonn na faragí, that flies upon the seas. Mascán de grá agus cua, a mixture of love and sorrow. Le mohu, to be felt, sa scéal béledis seo, in this oral tradition story. Cé go bhfuil áthas Oisín, even though Oisín is happy, ag tanú lena héal nua, looking forward to his new life, lena grá níomh, with his beloved níomh, ag fágáil a cháirde agus ahar, leaving his friends and his father. Dún rí na meo, the fort of the king of the living. Áit ina bhfuil iníon an rí, the place in which the daughter of the king, mar hima ag an bhach, as prisoner or hostage of the giant. Trí lá is trí ihe in Montrada, 3 days and 3 nights engaged in fighting. Bíonn an bua ag Oisín gwine. Oisín wins against. Cahan an lá noon a sail. The lovers spend their life. Lena drúr páistí with their 3 children. Iníag blianta fada, after long years. Tastíon ó Oisín na fianna eáil. Oisín desires to see the fianna. Tugan níomh rawa dó faoi free. Níomh gives him a warning 3 times. Gan cus a chur hallamh na hÉireann, not to put a foot on the ground of Ireland. No ní thiocfadh sé arás go, or he would not come back to. Shrishin Oisín éire. Oisín reaches Ireland. Galéir marv leis na céite bliain, all dead with hundreds of years. A gírig cloch of wint, attempting to lift a stone. Tagan Oisín con caurúlo. Oisín comes to help them. Peter in a cheannar é. He is turned into an old man. Nuair thógtar Oisín chuig Naomh Pádraig, when Oisín is taken to St. Patrick, tá trua aige d'Oisín. He has sympathy for Oisín. Tugan sé arad dó. He looks after him, or he cares for him. In she and Oisín sean scéalta faoi. Oisín tells old stories about Moon and Naomh Pádraig sa scéal dé dó. St. Patrick teaches the gospel to him. Tréthe béledis le, noticeable oral traditional traits. Dríocht, magic. Ahrá an iver 3, repetition of the number 3. Malan dríocht agus ábhail, exaggeration and magic attracts. Ord an léchora, the attention of the reader. Coríon ahrá, repetition helps. Con buig pointí an scéal a bheabhrú don léchor, to remind the reader of the main points of the story. Dine caurach, a helpful person. Gráver agus dílis, loving and loyal. Dine dungváilte, a determined person. Dine stuama, a sensible person. Slán live.